Welcome to this technical guide on the custom tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your custom tower is overheating and making a strange noise, this is usually a sign that the fan is failing. Over time, dust buildup and wear can cause fans to struggle, leading to increased temperatures inside your tower. If left unattended, this could result in severe damage to your components, so it's essential to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and a new fan compatible with your custom tower. To begin with, ensure your tower is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface and carefully remove the side panel by unscrewing the screws at the rear. Be cautious when lifting off the panel to avoid damaging the casing. Once inside, locate the fan. It's typically situated at the rear or top of the tower. You may notice it connected by a couple of screws and a power cable. Gently disconnect the power cable by pulling it straight out, being careful not to tug on any other wires. Next, remove the screws holding the fan in place. Make sure to use the correct screwdriver to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the fan out of the case. Before installing the new fan, take a moment to clean any dust or debris in the area using compressed air. This will help keep your tower running smoothly. Now, place the new fan in position, ensuring it faces the correct direction for airflow. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not overly tight to prevent damage. Reconnect the power cable, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the side panel and screw it back on securely. Before you power it on, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose screws left inside. To prevent future overheating issues, regularly clean your tower to remove dust and ensure proper airflow. Consider using dust filters and keep your workspace tidy. Finally, if you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.